Hi, I'm Danny Lipford, host of today's Homeowner. You know, improving the curb appeal of a home can be a tricky thing. Sometimes it requires a massive amount of time and energy. Other times it can be a very simple process, just like it was for these homeowners. They lived here for 28 years and the front of the house hadn't changed at all during that time. Their front porch seemed more like confinement than a retreat because the overgrown shrubs and the porch rail kept them separated from the neighborhood and their grandkids playing in the yard. Plus, they weren't too crazy about the color scheme. They said the red door and the green shutters look like Christmas all year long. So we helped them out with a few simple chores. First, we removed the unsightly shrubs and railings around the porch.
Oh, wow. That one rotted.
Man, we did that quick.
Rotted right off.
The railing was in bad shape anyway, and it wasn't necessary because the porch is only a few inches off the ground. Then we updated the shutters with a more modern gray paint, while the porch floor was stenciled with a lighter shade of the same color. Finally, we replaced the overgrown shrubs with lower plants spread out in a larger bed covering a wider area. With a little paint and a few plants, we managed to make this 80s style home a little more modern and a little more up to date. And the homeowners feel like they have a brand new home and they didn't even have to leave the old one.